Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Am I live? I am. Well, hey everyone. We're having some technical difficulties, but now we are in it. Welcome. Happy Wednesday. Haven't had one of these in like a week or two, but I have an awesome sampling kit for you guys to check out. So, you can go to momsmeet.com. It's completely free to sign up as a mom ambassador. This voucher program I have right here. It is a group sampling program. So if you are a mom ambassador, definitely sign up for this one. I am so excited to try it. I'm just gonna dive right in. It's really, really great. So this is the Follow Your Heart dairy-free yogurt. It sounds delicious. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, yeah, there was one. There was one thing left in there. So with this program, with Follow Your Heart, the dairy-free yogurts, you're going to get a free product or a bunch of free product coupons for you to pick up the Follow Your Heart dairy-free yogurts at your local store, as well as coupons to share with your group. And as a mom ambassador gift, you're going to get this cute little spoon. You're going to get a sandwich pouch, which says Follow Your Heart on it. I love it. It's super, I'm obsessed. This is really, really cute. You're also going to get a hairband. I think that might still be left in here. Yes, it is. So you're going to get this hairband, an enamel pin, and a free Follow Your Heart product coupon as well with the gift. So if you are interested in trying out their dairy-free yogurts from Follow Your Heart, you could just go to momsmeet.com. Again, it is completely free to sign up if you're not already a mom ambassador. This is all I have for you this week. So thanks for joining me today. Bye, guys.